This is a Bloomberg Money Minute. The knotted supply chains that have boosted prices and slowed production of cars and the arrival in the U.S. of many other goods will take some time to unravel.
The problems that we are seeing today existed before the pandemic.
Brandon Daniels is president of Exiger, a risk management firm. He says the pandemic fractured cracks that had started to appear pre-pandemic, but repair work has started, with widening the supply of suppliers.
Identifying the products where they do need to hold larger volumes of inventory.
The more important change, though, could be taking a different view of globalization.
More manufacturing, more product development, more product R&D is going to be onshored in the United States.
Japan, India, the UK, and other major democracies and the world's biggest companies will do the same. At the same time, though, they'll coordinate to, Daniels says, balance the dependence that had been built on China. Joan Doniger, Bloomberg Radio.